What's good, people? I hope you're doing very well today. I've just got off a fantastic webinar from Hootsuite, which was all about getting ahead of the curve on social media in 2021. It was fantastic. There were some really good discussion points, so big up to Hootsuite for putting that on for us. But one of the main, I suppose, the kind of focal points of the webinar was something they introduced at the beginning, and it essentially kind of framed a lot of the dialogue, and it's something that I massively believe in and something that I've been actively trying to reinforce for most of my career. And it's this idea of a social value chain, and I think it's brilliant, and the way that Hootsuite kind of surmised it makes it very clear and just showcases its importance. So the social value chain is as follows: engagement, conversation, and deepen relationships. They are the kind of three primary cornerstones of how marketers should use social media. They are the things that we should be doing in order to win business through social media, because people need to remember this because they forget it all the damn time, bro. Social media is not a marketing platform. Marketing is a part of social media, but it is not the sole primary focus. Social media is a community platform. Social media is about building relationships, sharing dialogue, sharing information. It is not about buying stuff. That is a part of it, and we can use that effectively, but we have to buy into the actual culture of why people use social media in order to win that business. So by engaging with our users, putting them first, building conversation with them, generating value through great video, great images, great rapport and community management, will then lead to more trust. And through that trust, we can deepen those relationships with our prospects and win their attention, which will then mean we have a better chance of winning their business. And I love the way that Hootsuite kind of surmised it. I think it was a great webinar. There were some really good resources from it too. I'll link them down below so you can download them because they're really worth reading. But yeah, take your time on social. Build rapport with your users, get their trust, work with them, make them feel special, and in return, they will reward you.